In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see first message on Instagram conversation without scrolling. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first stop, open up Instagram app, then tap right here to go to chats, and after that open up a conversation. Now basically we can scroll down to go up to see our previous messages here in that conversation. However, if you want to see first message and there are thousands of messages here, it really can take a lot of time to do so. So now I'm gonna show you a simple trick how we can easily see first message on any conversation. Basically, guys, all we have to do is just tap right here at the top left corner at this time widget here and see what's gonna happen. It will scroll up to the very first loaded message from the conversation. It may load another messages once you've done that, so you just need to keep doing it all the time until you move to the very top of the conversation. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button.